What is going on, Trader Studio? Welcome back to another trading video. Today, I'm going to go over some trades that I took on US 30 and NASDAQ today. I'm going to jump into US 30. This is a very simple, very basic, elementary strategy, you can say. It's just following technicals and just exactly what I did this morning right before market open. So I'm going to do replay mode. I'm just going to hop right into it. On replay mode, this is exactly what I did. So when I'm on the chart right now, you can see the time at the bottom right here. It is 8:25. So we've got about 5 minutes until market open. So what I'm looking at a 15-minute chart. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing my trend lines. Very basic, very simple. You can see we have a resistance right here. So I'm going to put a trend line right there. And then now you can also see that we have a resistance here that was resistance and then it finally broke. So that's a significant area. So I'm going to put my line right here. So now as you can see, when we do this, we are in a range. So we've been bouncing between this range for the last on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm going to go down to a 5-minute and perfect. Now, as you can see, these are my trend lines. So what I'm going to do right before the market open, I'm going to put my long position here. If price breaks above that previous high, I'm going to put this here, and then my TP will be this pivot point. I do use pivot points as an indicator. This is just resistance 1, and then it goes all the way up to resistance 2. But just to keep it simple for this video, I'm going to put it to resistance level 1, which is just the pivot point. And then now for the sells, I'm going to put it right under this low. And then obviously my TP is going to be this pivot point. And now my stop loss is just going to be right above. It's going to be a tight stop loss. It's just going to be right above these trend lines. So they're not going to be this big. So now if we do replay mode, you can see right now I would not be in this trade at all. I'm going to continue. Right now, boom. So this would have caused me to enter. So let's say I'm in the trade right now. Let's see what happens once it breaks. Instantly hit take profit in about 10 minutes time. So that was a trade that I took today. Beautiful, easy, so simple. And it's just such a profitable strat. It's just so elementary. I mean, just support, resistance, break, take it, tight stop loss. Wait till it hits the pivot point for your take profit. Now let's go ahead and take a look at NAS because it was very similar today. And as you can see, I mean, I do this frequently. Let me keep going back. All my trend lines that I just leave here. It's just a very basic strategy that I've been really doing a lot lately. And it's just worked for me so well. And it's just been so fun to trade it because it is right at that market open. So let's do replay mode again. So I'm going to go back to, let's do 8:25 because this is how I'm marking my charts up when I'm looking. So as you can see, I'm going to take these away just so you guys can see. Very simple, very easy resistance right here. You can see that. I'm going to put this here. That's where I had it originally. So I'm going to put that there. And then now my support, very easy to spot it. Price action was right there. So I'm going to put it right there is where I had it. So right here, 8:25, we've got about 5 minutes until the market open. So my long position, because I don't know what's going to happen yet, to the next pivot point. Very slow, very small stop loss. Short position, it's going to be at the break of this low is where I'm going to enter that position. And then stop loss will be up here. Pivot point, first pivot point, take profit. Now let's just see what happens. I would not be in this trade. I would not be in it because it never broke this. And I remember watching this and I was like, okay, I'm going to get ready to get into buys. And I was, oh, never mind. And then as soon as it broke this, I entered right here. That was perfectly, that was a perfect entry, just right at that break of that low. And then as you can see, very simple, boom, full take profit hit. And then if you want to continue for the rest of the day, at some point it would have came back and hit you out, but it continued lower and lower for the rest of the day. So yeah, Trader Studio, that's just a small, quick, simple technical strategy. Now, obviously, fundamentals is very important, but that's just a very small, basic, so elementary that can make you very profitable in these markets. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and have a great day.